When you're looking to protect your vehicle surfaces from the elements, check out BLACKFIRE Pro Ceramic Coating. This is a paint coating that provides superb shine, extreme hydrophobics, and unparalleled protection lasting up to 2 years. First, get your surface ready by washing as usual, decontaminating, and polishing if needed to remove any swirls and scratches. Then you'll want to use the BLACKFIRE paint prep to remove any remaining residue. Once your surfaces are prepped and ready to go, you'll apply the coating to a microfiber applicator pad, and then working in a small section with the microfiber pad, work in straight lines, allow the product to dwell and flash, and then come back through with a microfiber towel to remove. For extra durability, you can apply a second coat immediately after. When you're looking for a high-quality coating with a simple application process, turn to BLACKFIRE Pro Ceramic Coating. Visit Autogeek.com.